In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on bill.com. So there's actually a few ways to do this, and all of them can be done, of course, from your dashboard. The first one is if you go to Actions, top left, click on it and click on Send an Invoice, you'll be able to create an invoice from scratch and then send it down here via this Review and Send button. Now, if you want to know how to create invoices or recurring invoices, I do have separate video tutorials on that as well, so we can go watch that first. Now, over here, I'm just going to discard this to show you the second thing you can do. So over here, the second way you could do this is also over here inside invoices. If you click on invoices, click on all invoices, and you can just create a new one and then of course create it and send it down here from review and send. But if you already do have an invoice, which I do in my case over here, you can just go to over here, all invoices, find the one that you want to send and then click on it. So for example, I'm just going to click on this invoice over here. I'm going to click on the number and it's going to get open like this. And then from here, you can of course see the kind of summary. If it looks good, you can click on send invoice, top right. And then from here, you can select if you want to send invoice via email or if you want to copy the link. So either way, you'll have to put in the email of the customer. So you have to type in their email. And then of course, here you have the subject and the body. And if it's good to go, of course, you can add an attachment as well. And you can click on send invoice, bottom right, or you could go and copy the link by basically typing in your email and clicking on generate and copy link, and that's it. So of course here you have to put in the customer's email, not your email, and then it's gonna generate it and copy the link. But of course that's going to allow you to mark it as sent, but it's not really gonna be sent because you have to do it manually. Now if you want to use the email, that's how we can actually send it. Okay, what's great here, you can also schedule it if you want to, and yeah, that's essentially all you have to do. That's how you send an invoice on bill.com. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.